Bienvenidos, Havana, Cuba. Welcome to Havana, Cuba. I'm here with B&H. We're going to photograph the incredible people, the wonderful locations. It's going to be a fabulous time. Vámonos! All right, looks good. Buenos dias. Cuba, the island 90 miles off of Florida. I've come here many times. My first trip here was, I think, in 1997 for a National Geographic assignment, and I've been coming back ever since. I love shooting here. I love telling the stories about this place. It's just a wonderful experience for me, and I hope you will learn something about Cuba and why I love it so much. Whoa, very nice.
Ah, perfecto. Muy elegante.
In the next few episodes, there's a lot to learn. I'm going to be speaking and showing you how I put together a complicated project, traveling to a different country, what the logistics are, how I've dealt with it over the last 40 years. I'm also going to talk about what kind of gear I bring and how I vary the gear from assignment or location to location. I have the opportunity to photograph people working here, the homes, fantastic old American cars from the 1950s, the rhythm, the beats, the Caribbean feel of the music. What more can I say about a place like this? It's just a playground for photography. Everybody knows Havana, but the countryside to me is another great opportunity. And we're going to go to Viñales, which is the capital of tobacco growing. Viñales is really special to me. I've met a lot of people there. I've been there many times. You're looking older than last time. So am I, right? We're both looking older. I just can't stop going back there. You're gonna be blown away by some of these people you're gonna meet. Oh yeah. Here we go. You ready?
Puro cubano, lo máximo.
We're going to learn about shooting environmental portraits, pictures of people that tell a story about the people, the culture, and the location. Okay, Chichi?
Okay.
Okay. I do this in a sort of unique way by using wide lenses, getting people in close, and then showing where the people are and what the location is. I also broaden that storytelling by shooting landscapes, whether they're urban landscapes or rural landscapes, and putting all that together, making stories about people and making stories about culture based on their environment. Oh yeah, here you come. Come on. But if I drink enough rum, my Spanish will be better. In the final episode, you're going to learn how to put together a story, how to go through all your pictures, and how I select certain pictures to go along with others that make the story work and make the story have some impact. So people will want to look at the story and learn about a place. We've got a lot of ground to cover, a lot of stuff to do. I can't wait to see my new friends in Havana and my old friends in Viñales. And the next video, we're going to talk about what it takes to put a project like this together and what kind of gear we need to bring.